Preparation of hexamine nickel second chloride. Today we have to prepare the complex hexamine nickel second chloride. This compound is having formula NiNH36Cl2. The purple color crystal which is shown in the bottle is the crystals of hexamine nickel second chloride. Now see the reaction. When nickel chloride is dissolved in a water, it forms hexa-eco-nickel second chloride, in which when ammonia solution is added, then it forms a purple color crystal of hexaamine nickel second chloride. In this complex, the coordination number of nickel is a 6 and the oxidation state of nickel is a +2. Chemicals we require for the preparation of hexamine nickel second chloride are nickel chloride and liquor ammonia. Weigh 3 gram of nickel chloride solid on the balance, then dissolve 3 gram of nickel chloride in a 5 ml of warm water in a 100 ml of beaker. Add 6 ml of concentrated aqueous ammonia slowly in a nickel chloride solution. The solution changes pale green to intense violet. If not, then add a more ammonia. Then you will get an intense violet color. Then allow the solution to attain room temperature and then cool in ice bath for 15 minutes. Filter this solution and wash the crystal with aqueous ammonia. Allow the complex to dry at a room temperature. Weigh on a previously weighed watch glass and record the yield. The weight of the complex is 2.82 gram. Then see observation. The weight of the complex hexaamine nickel second chloride is 2.82 gram. Now do the calculation. The relation is 1 mole of NiCl2 is equal to 1 mole of NiNH36Cl2. The molecular weight of NiCl2 is 237 gram and the molecular weight of NiNH36Cl2 is 231 gram. We have taken 3 gram of NiCl2, so the expected product is 2.9240 gram. We know that the practical yield of hexamine nickel second chloride we obtain is X is equal to 2.82 gram. The practical yield is when we get a 2.9240 gram of a complex, it means that we get a 100% yield. Now X gram of complex, that we know the X is equal to 2.82. So if you multiply it by 100 and divided by 2.9240, then it is equal to 96.44% yield. Then we have to write the result in a table. The first is a practical yield of the complex that we obtain is a 2.82 gram. The percent practical yield of the complex, we get 96.44%. The color of the complex is a purple, that is shown in the evaporating dish in a picture. So in this way we have prepared hexamine nickel second chloride complex. Thank you.